Reebow Intelligent Equipment was established in 2009 in Shandong, China, and is a professional equipment solution company. We recommitted to transformation of traditional labor-intensive, heavy manual labor industries through automation and equipment, improving their working environment, reducing labor intensity, and help clients to achieve cost reduction and efficiency increase. Reebow has two manufacture bases. Each base owns NC Machining Center, Technical Center, and Assembly Workshop. We design and produce integrated packaging line and equipment, warehousing equipment, and tunnel equipment solution for packing industry, especially for plasterboard, ceiling board, steel keel industry. Many equipment sets were certificated as the first set in China, promoted the industry developing, reached the international advanced level. Reebow complies with the ISO 9001 quality system and obtained the title of Little Giant Enterprise of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology in 2021.